Beginning with our operations menu, right now, what you see is everything from quoting, customer orders, work orders, dispatch board. I'm going to begin with the dispatch board, which is essentially my, the heart of the operations menu. My dispatch board features a list of my employees here on the side, quarters, some that have been opened, some that have been assigned. The exercise we're about to practice is the ability to create a customer quote and also how to handle a service call. Now, when I right click on my customer quote right here, it's going to lead me to my quote page. What we're going to do is we're going to autofill right here. Here's the customer's address, the billing address. You have the worksite address, so I can choose add a customer's address. I can type in all the customer's information. I can set in due dates, reference numbers, comments. Most importantly, we have the ability to create a work order or multiple work orders. So let's add a work order right here. I'm going to add a task, and I also have the ability to add multiple tasks, but let's just add one task. We go up here at the description, and what we're going to do is we're going to want to install. So as you can see, I have my search filters at the top. If I want to search by code, by ID, by category, whatever I want to search by, I can choose. So what we want to do is we want an installation. I have the ability to manipulate the estimated time, the hourly rate, the base charge. So I want to make a little bit more money. The software also has the ability to access your part card. Right here, I have a list of all the parts that I have available within my company. So let's just go on and say we're going to install a Dave Lennox signature. I click on OK. I save and close. And right now, what I have, I tick this, click on OK. I have the ability to print, fax, email, straight from the software, the quote that I have just created for my customer. So you see the reference number is attached to it, as well as the task, the parts, and of course the pricing and the signature. Worksite address, customer, all that information is available to me. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save and close, and I'm going to head back to my dispatch board. Now in order to create a new quote, I had to right click on my quote right here to create the new one. When I left click, it's going to lead me to my quote table, which has all of the quotes that I've created in the past. So I have the information such as phone number, date created, the company I did it for, but most importantly the status. So which ones are open, which ones have been accepted, and which ones that have been voided. So we're going to go into the quote that we've just created for ABC Construction. We can go in and see what the work order details were. If there is any additional work that I need to create, I can just again add a task. So say I also have to do some electrical work for them. I'll also do some electrical work. Change up the summary. But most importantly, save and close. I will click on this work order and I will accept it. It will ask me, do you want to create a customer order from this quote? I will say yes. Once I say yes, the message is going to tell me that it's a customer job 178 has been created. I click on OK. I save and close. Once I refresh my dispatch board, a new work order available to me and ready to be assigned to any one of my employees. We will select Bob. A simple drag and drop, and now Bob has a job from ABC Construction that is estimated at 8 hours.